What I've got right here is a Silonn Nugget Ice Maker. What is a Nugget Ice Maker? Instead of making ice cubes, it makes that fast food style of nugget ice, you know, the kind of ice that's easy to crunch in your teeth. For a lot of drinks and a lot of cocktails, nugget ice is the preferred ice to use. Let's see what the box says. Crystal clear nugget cubes, self-cleaning function, that's very nice. And it has a 24-hour timer function in case you need to set it up in advance. It has a 2.2 liter reservoir. It makes 44 pounds of ice per day. And now it's time to open her up and see what she looks like. On top you have the user manual. It looks like what it is, something that can produce over 40 pounds of ice in a day. So now let's fill it with water, plug it in, and make some ice. This button is for on and off and self-cleaning. Here you have the timer function on the side, but let's just turn it on and let it get to work. Nice, huh? That is some great cocktail ice, isn't it? I'm going to pull this ice out so that you can get a really good look at it. You see what I'm talking about? That's some beautiful ice right there. This Silonn Ice Maker does exactly what it says it'll do. It makes a lot of nugget ice fast. So whether you've got a barbecue or a cocktail party, or you just want some fancy ice for your own soda drink at home, I am sure you will be just as happy with this Silonn Ice Maker as I am showing it to you. Now, if you like this video, I want you to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I want you to also have a nice day, nice week, nice year, and a nice life.